Yo my lovely foodie friends, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today we're gonna cut some potatoes in some nice cubes. A little tutorial how to chop a potato with some nice cubes with a little bit of a close-up. Let me know if you want to see more cutting videos. Let's go to the chopping. Most of the time I slice a little slice off there so it's nice and stable on the cutting board. Then I cut a few slices from the potato and I make a few piles from it. Always keep your fingers nice like a little shield, don't be too scared. I most of the time keep my thumb a little bit behind it so I can balance it a little bit. Don't cut too fast, just try it a little bit for yourself. Here you got a nice pile again, put your fingers like that and just try it nice and slow. This is what I mean. And let's cut it. If you have the slices you can cut long nice stripes from it, and if that's done of course you can start on kind of little brunoise. This is not perfect brunoise, but this is like little cubes you can use for a refined little fancy bite or a potato salad. So yeah, let's keep on cutting and I hope you like this video so far, guys. And like I always say, guys and girls, practice makes perfect and of course progression. So let's keep on cutting and yeah, I'm just gonna cut on because I needed to cut 6 kilos of potatoes for catering. Lol, look at that, beautiful. Here a little close up and thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like or drop a little comment. Yo, my lovely foodie famers, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to see more cutting videos like I said, don't forget to drop it in the comments which ingredients you'd love to see. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and much love. Have a great day. Peace.